Pass out?
No, I just lean back to eat the bag of chips. It's fucking smack.
Nice. Chips to the face.
He got chip face.
Chip faced.
What was that? Was that a shape? That was like a bunny.
Yeah, it was the shape of my male regions. I didn't say it.
So it was a little weenie?
Yeah, exactly.
Good one.
Yeah, it was a little weenie, but did you hear the punch it packed? Might be small, but it booms, baby. And that's all that matters. Can always call that horse for you. She didn't even hear it.
Probably a good thing.
Right? Oh no, I'm gonna tell her again. Hey, Leanne, I can always call that horse for you.
That horse killed something.
Hey, well, mine's considered a little weenie, then you should be able to take horse cock.
Sleeping on the front porch tonight.
She can sleep on the front porch. Not Phil. On the man, goddammit.
Just grabs his pillow and goes to the top. 20 minutes and comes back.
Huh?
They're kind of lame. Oh, we are right the fireworks.
And that was it. Sad thing is, the guy's probably sitting by his car, but he still set his alarm. Gotta set my alarm. Somebody might sneak up on me.
Them airplanes are getting some pretty good pictures.
Big ass spot to watch this.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I was telling Eric, I was like, yeah, it'd be cool to be in a plane right now, flying right by.
Building behind Kroger.
Oh, yeah.
Senior citizen high rise.
From,
Go up there all the time.
where Graham used to live.
Staying still. They're red.
Yeah. Those,
The aliens watching. Yeah, Martians come down and watch it 4th of July.
that's their
Zoom off
weapons.
after they're done.
Yeah.
Used to be able to sit my my grandma's niece used to live in those apartment buildings in Berkeley off of like Oxford right there.
Mm-hmm.
You can go up and she was on top floor. You could see the Detroit fireworks from there. What was that? Yep. And that was it again. Gotta do commentary.
Right.
I'm gonna put it on my YouTube page. Still hasn't given me a semi yet.
I said, get in there and sit down. He goes, after you give me a love kiss.
I know autumn will come
When's
in.
Clausen's fireworks?
They already had theirs.
Did they?
Yep. They had theirs last week.
I don't think Oak Park. I dropped it. Back in action. No damage.
Autumn comes in the other night.
Yeah, as Oak Park stopped
Just half asleep.
doing it, I think. But I've seen some signs that they might be doing it on the 4th. They haven't done it in a couple of years, though.
Rochester and Birmingham.
I didn't even know Birmingham did one.
Madison Heights backfired. They had an explosion.
Nice. Was that fireworks show like 2 years ago where it all went up at once?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, their barge just,
Yeah.
everything went.